Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, a lot of people are saying that I'm using the 100 to 1K trading challenge on Moomoo only because I'm sponsored by them. Let me just get a few things off of my chest real quick. One, we started the trading challenge before I was even sponsored by Moomoo. And two, you guys can use any platform you want, but you are missing out on a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to just help you out. And today we are going to be going over why we use Moomoo for the 100 to 1K trading challenge, because I get this question asked about almost every other day by someone else. So first of all, just to lay it out for you, it's extremely easy to use, and that's why I like it for especially new people starting out. I think it's a great thing to have a simple platform such as Webull, Robinhood, and Moomoo. Now, on the mobile app, this is the best. This is the best piece of the app, in my opinion, and the reason I'm using it for the 100 to 1K trading challenge. Now, for example, this is the main stepping stone as to why I'm using this over Webull, over Robinhood, yada, yada, yada. And it's because literally I can trade better on this platform. And the reason for that is because if you go over here to the S&P 500, we're going to type this in the SPY, press on the SPY, and then go over to options on the S&P 500. You can select calls, puts, and you can select all. Now, if you go over to calls, for example, today we grabbed a $400 strike price. Now, if you go over to trade and you select the quantity for that, you're going to see that these are $13 per contract. Now, that's fine, right? I have a small account. $13 a contract isn't bad. I can make money on that, especially if the SPY goes up a decent amount. Now, you can come all the way down and grab strike prices all the way up to 460 bucks. Now, normally you'd think, oh, well, that's way harder to make money on. That's what I thought too, but it's actually way easier to snipe trades. And just as an example of that, we closed out a 50-ish% trade, 58% trade today on the S&P 500, grabbing that $400 strike. And it only scaled a little bit. We grabbed it late. We stayed in it for an hour, and we got out of the position. Now, if I were to go over to Webull's platform, go to the search bar, and type in the S&P 500, go to options calls, it's going to only let me grab the $390 strike right now, which you have to spend a minimum of $48 on, which is fine. But guess what? This expires the same time the other contracts expire on Moomoo, and you're paying about 3, 4, 5 times the price, which is fine overall. You're probably going to make money faster, but for smaller accounts, especially from a 100 to 1K trading challenge perspective, this is not practical to do, as you're risking half of your account in one single trade. Off rip, that's the main reason I use it. I wanted to disclose that on here. Now, number two, and this is the last reason I'm going to say in this video, because we already made an entire video going over the Moomoo platform. If I go to the S&P 500, and we're going to use this as the same example because we already are using it, right? If I type in the S&P 500 and come down below it, just like any other stock, you're going to have access to level 2 order book that you have to pay $2 for on Webull and other such platforms. This is going to show you where people are loading up, dropping off, and ultimately where the price is going to lean towards, which can help you enter or close out a trade. So in all seriousness, this is why I use the platform for this challenge. You guys don't have to use this platform, but again, you can get up to 10 free stocks for just signing up and depositing a penny, a dollar, whatever it is, and you'll probably be at 60, 70 bucks as it is if you guys want to join the challenge. But that is it, guys. I just wanted to get this off my chest as to why I use it and why we're so green on every trade. We lost about one trade, and it was our first trade, and the reason for that is because first we were positive, and then Robinhood came out with some type of merger news. I forgot what it was, and we got absolutely slaughtered out of the water. You can't help news coming out. You can't really control that, okay? Ever since then, we've been consistently green, 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 and I plan to have a little few bumps in the road, but we will get up to 1K pretty soon, in my opinion, especially the way we've been trading the S&P 500. That is it, guys. Make sure to join the challenge. Hit the link pinned in the top of comments and linked in the description. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.